Hello everybody, I am Krishna Rao Patro. Now we'll see one more pattern that is called diamond pattern. How you can print the diamond shape pattern using Java program. So in the previous session you have seen the pyramid pattern. Now we'll see diamond pattern. When I say diamond pattern, the diamond pattern looks like this. First row having 1, second row having 2 stars, third row 3 stars, fourth row 4 stars, fifth row 5 stars. Now from now onwards it comes bottom. 4 rows, 3 rows, 2 rows, means 2 stars, 1 star. So first it is going in increasing order, then it comes decreasing order. So here also you have to decide how many space you have to give before the star. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now when I say any group 5, that means maximum 5 stars. That means it comes in the middle. From middle onwards it goes towards bottom with decreasing order. From middle it goes upward in increasing order. So this will look like a diamond pattern. So before A 4 space, before second row 3 space, before third row 2 space, before fourth row only 1 space, and when you come to middle the fifth row no space. From fifth row onwards again come downwards, again single space, then here 2 space. That means before printing how many space you have to print, that you have to calculate. Once this calculation is correct, then you will get the perfect diamond pattern. So before that always you look like, means you have to draw just like a 2-dimensional array. So from the 2-dimensional array we will be knowing how many gaps are there. That many gaps, that means that many space you have to print on the screen. Now see how to write a Java program to do this. I wrote a small method called print diamond, and n is my number of rows. Assume n equal 5. So 5 rows I have to print. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again from 5th row onwards 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now this is the loop for printing the upper half, and this is another loop for printing the lower half. So first of all you have to print the upper half. This upper half will be giving you the upper diamond part. The lower half gives you the lower diamond part. So now you have to decide how many space I should give between the each row. Means before the row begins, how many space you have to print. Now for upper half first. This loop repeats how many times? N time. I equal 0 to less than n. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it repeats 5 times. Now after printing this, means after repeating this, for every row what I am doing, first I am printing the space. How many space I have to print? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means I am starting from n minus 1 to until greater than equal to I. So my I is 0. If at all this value, j value is greater than 0, I will continue. Initially n minus 1. N minus 1 means n is how much? 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 is greater than 0. Yes. Then j minus minus 3, 2, 1. Until 1 it goes. Whenever j becomes 0, it stops. That means printing space is over here. This for loop, it only prints the space. Then after that, one more for loop. This prints the star. This prints the asterisk, first star. How many times it has to print? Because in every row, first row having 1 star, second row having 2 star, third row having 3 stars. So the number of star depends on the row number. So if I is 1, 1 star. If I is 2, 2 star. If I is 3, 3 star. If I is 5, 5 stars. So now I am repeating from 0 to I. So print the star. Now this loop prints the star. After that come to next line. So now it prints the whole star. Then come to bottom part. So for bottom part also, first print the space. So how many space you will print? Because here the number of space is now decreasing. First 2, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So j equal 0 to j less than I. So now I start from 1. So that means 1 space. Whenever after printing 1 space, then next stars you will print. So now k equal to n minus 1, 2. So n is how much? 5. So 5 minus 1, that means 4 stars until k greater than I. So now this portion is printing the stars. After printing stars, then you have to come to next line. So come to next line. So now it prints upper half, this prints lower half. After printing upper half and lower half, my complete diamond is over. So now let us run it through program. Now I will try to execute this program through my system. Control C. Now let me open my command prompt. Class diamond is the name of the class, because as it is the object and program, you have to start with the class. Inside the class, I'll write my main method, public static void main string arguments array. Here what I am doing, int n equal to assume 5. This n equal to 5 I am calling to my method. What is the name of the method? Print diamond pattern. Control V. This is my program. This program I will run. Now please observe here. This portion is printing the space part. This portion is printing the star part. So how many times it will repeat? Because n time. This is printing upper half. Then we'll go for lower half. For lower half, in the lower half also first you will print the space. So this portion is for printing space, and this portion for printing star. After printing the star, next line, then this. Now program. Now here you have to think what this portion doing. I equal 0 until I less than n, repeats n time. While repeating n time, for every row you have to decide the number of space. So this gives you the number of space. Then this gives you the number of stars. So how many stars? I number of stars. If I is 1, 1 star. If I is 2, 2 stars. If I is 3, 3 stars. And how many space? N minus I. That means this will be repeating n minus I time. This is for upper portion. And for lower half, the space increases 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first half prints I time, I space. The remaining half prints star n minus I stars. So then after printing n minus 1 stars, then new line. So now this program, let us execute. What is the name of the method? Print diamond. And this method I want to call in the main method. Main is a static. So I'll make this as a static method. Because static method can call static only. So let me call static method n diamond dot java. Now let us execute. Java C diamond dot java. Okay, java diamond. Yeah. Now if you observe here, the diamond shape has come. Okay. Now let us take the dynamic value. Now instead of making static, I will make it dynamic. So here I will be reading the data, the scanner class. I will read this. I will copy it. This n value I will read using scanner class. That n I am reading. Okay. But scanner class belongs to a package, that is util package. Import java dot util dot star. Now let us run. Clear the screen. Java C diamond dot java. Compile it. Now java demo. And this is one of the very, very important program. Please practice well. Assume I am giving 10. So 10 stars. So the diamond shape of stars comes. Okay. So this is the way you have to develop the program. So please practice well in the program. This is one of the very, very commonly asked question in exam. as well as of course in interview also. So I am expecting everybody should go through this logic and do it. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.